good. This RT was bullying a WRX back there. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a POV drive in the Q50 now that it's tuned, showing you guys how it moves, how it sounds with the pops, etc. It's a little windy. I hope the audio isn't complete trash, and if it is, I apologize. Let's turn on the popcorn map. Little baby pop. I'll put the windows kind of up. So I don't know if you guys were able to hear in the last couple of clips, I have an exhaust leak on the car, and I know for a fact those pops are not helping. He's making it worse. But my thought process with that is I have to fix it anyway, so I might as well use the popcorn map now before I fix the exhaust leak. That makes sense? Am I stupid? I think it's kind of smart, right? I feel like with the exhaust leak, the car's slow. Maybe it's just me, but yeah, I feel the car pretty slow. Oh, nice Camaro. Very nice. But I feel like it might be just because I'm used to the Z, so regardless of how much power this car makes, it'll probably always feel slow. Nice Mustang. What do you guys prefer, Mustang or Camaro? I don't know, it's a tough one for me. Oh, V8 two-door Benz, okay. Damn, all the cars are out. Arnado gray, big gray, that's just clean. For a boat. Now that we're on it, might as well do a little 40 roll. Like I said, I feel like I'm just used to the Z, so it's like, it's alright though. So I mentioned it in my last video, one thing that does suck about this car in comparison to like the Z or 370Z or whatever, is that you cannot switch maps while driving. So in the Z, say right now I'm in the performance map, if I wanted to like shoot some flames or go on the popcorn map, I could switch it. But with this one, you have to be stopped. So that's the only thing that sucks about Infinitis. I think it's a thing with G37s as well, don't quote me, I think, or I don't know if it's just Q50s, but that really does suck. Because for example, if I was in the Z, I will show you guys some pops right now, but since I'm not stopped, I can't show you guys in this car. It's pretty stupid. So if I want to shoot flames on the freeway, I have to get on the freeway with the popcorn map already, unless I pull over, which is kind of like an inconvenience, you know. But other than that, this car feels really good. Watch, just for you guys, I'm gonna pull over just to turn on this stupid popcorn map. This is what I have to go through. Infiniti is L Infiniti for that, for real. Now it's in the popcorn map. I like the little pops. Oh, that one was good. Oh man, bro, I gotta stop. Ooh, I'm definitely not going down there. Oh, hell no. There it is. I'm telling you guys, this car is so much fun now that it's tuned. I'm still running a special. If you guys want to get tuned, if you guys have a VHR from 2009 and up, I am still running a tune special, which is 650 bucks for a street tune with all maps. So the performance, the popcorn map, which is this map that I'm on, and then the flame map. Love those downshifts. Alright guys, it is now nighttime obviously. I'm at the gym. It's time to finish this POV drive for you guys. Like I said earlier in the video, that's one thing I really like about this car is the downshifts. They're so aggressive. I just need a better exhaust setup. But honestly, for the price that I paid for this exhaust setup, it's not too bad. Just that the exhaust leak makes it sound a lot worse than what it is. Put this map 2 really fast. Let's go. Oh my gosh, that exhaust leak. People think, bro, like, because for the people that don't know about these cars, oh shit, I forgot I'm in the popcorn map. People that don't know about these cars, you probably think it's like a grandma car. I know you just see a shoot flames in front of you. See, like that, like it looks like a grandma car, right? It's a G37. For the people that don't know, I feel like it trips them out. Oh my god, I was flinching right there. I was just waiting for it. I was like, ah. Oh shit. Oh, you know, just disturbing the peace on a lovely Thursday. What would you call it? Night? It's like 6 p.m. I guess so. It's dark, right? Gotta get that protein in. love those like. Because RT was bullying a WRX back there. Why are you throwing the hazards on, bro? It was literally neck to neck. Relax. Yeah, you could definitely tell that exhaust thing is robbing me some horsepower. What are you trying to do? A 20 roll on the freeway, bro? Come on. really gotta get some cold air intakes. I remember Adrian told me when he was tuning the car that these stock intakes are bringing in a lot of hot air, bro. Like, I think I said it in the video. That and one of my mass sensors is actually reading off. I need to fix all of that. Then the car should feel a lot better. Because honestly, the car feels slow. With all that, the exhaust leak fix, a proper exhaust setup, this thing should be decent. And if I go on 85, even better. But we'll see. This car isn't my priority. I need to finish the Z so I can full send it already. I left traction control on. But hey, not too bad, not too bad. That being said, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys will know whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.